Okay, teachers, I feel like I wouldn't be doing my job very well if I didn't also share with you a quick video on the databases that we have available. I'm a librarian, I love databases, but I also want to use resources that are good for students, and these are great. So let me show you what we have available and a quick little recap of how to use them. From our library website, open up the databases links. And I'm going to just show you 3 or 4 things that I love to share with students that are probably the most popular databases that we use. First of all, we will have an education account for Denton Record Chronicle. Right now, it's not going to work if I log in because the school year is over. However, in the fall, I will re-up our account and you'll be able to access not only the paper, but previous or old issues. And also, they do have a lot of resources made for the classroom. So that will be something to look forward to in the fall, a great way to get current events and local things happening into your classroom. I also love to share Britannica School. Britannica is an encyclopedia resource, and so it is great for learning about a topic that you don't know much about. This is a good one to start with when students are trying to just gain background knowledge on a topic that they don't know much about. It gives a little bit of information about a lot of things. And so it is really easy to find resources in Britannica. It is also very easy to cite in Britannica. So if an article looks great to a student, all they have to do is click the citation button, and then they have their citation right there for that requirement for your research project. Very easy, could not be easier. It's also super easy to navigate. You can get images and videos, extra links, and even some great websites linked inside it. It's a great resource. I love to share that with students. I'm going to go back here because I want to show you Gale. So Gale, most of these databases inside Gale are paid for by the state of Texas. I will show you around a little bit. I'm very proud that we have this one right here. This is Biography and Context. We purchased at the end of the year last year. It is terrific if you are asking students to do any kind of research on a particular person. It is wonderfully easy to browse in Biography. They change up this featured people at the top to just give some new things to see regularly. You can search for a specific name, but you can also, if students don't know who to pick, they could go in here and browse. If they know that they need to look for someone, they want to look for a coach or an athlete, they could browse in here. If they know they need to find a woman, Notable Women is right here. So tons of different options, very easy to navigate. So let's just pick one here. Let's pick Oprah. If you open it up, it's going to give you an article that's easy to follow. It also links to other resources. As you can see here, other places that students can look at and learn more about. If you look at the full article, just like in Britannica, this article is also very easy to cite. And so the citation tools right here give you the citation that the students can then copy paste onto your project. Wonderfully easy. Students also have extra tools that I always like to share with students. I won't go into that now, but they're available. So Biography and Context is phenomenal for any work that you're doing with people. Also wonderful is General OneFile. This is great for just kind of like it sounds, general research. Perhaps you're giving students their choice of topic and it's very broad and they could easily come here and find things. This is great too. They just updated this to allow you to browse by subject. Again, if students are not sure of a topic, but they know they want to look at something within the realm of history, maybe this can help them narrow down their search. It's going to give them a lot of options here. They can just open up articles. This citation and the look of it is the same as Biography. Again, the citation right here makes it very easy for students to keep track of what they have. They can also put it in their Google Drive, all kinds of options there. I like the updates that they have done. And I think it's great, especially for students who are struggling with what to research. I think these browsing features are great for that. The last one I want to show you within Gale is Academic One file. Again, it works just the same, but these are going to be academic based. These are going to be, you're going to find a lot of peer-reviewed articles in here. I know many of you might be teaching an academic course where you're requiring specific academic titles and resources. So again, they have a browse feature, but once students get in here and choose articles, the layout is the same, which I like. I like that it's the same for students to make it easy. Right here, we're just going to follow the path here. Looks the same. So once they know the layout, they can really navigate easily throughout Gale. There are plenty of other databases in here. I'm not going to go through all of them. You can certainly see we have a wide range of resources, okay, that you might find helpful. And also, I encourage students to use the power search to search everything. So I hope this helps you. If you're interested in bringing in some of these resources into your classroom for research purposes, please invite me in. I would love to walk through students through the process and help out. And this can be directed right into Mac and VIA, allowing students to find things in a very easy, organized fashion. Thank you so much.